That's because it is 6 a.m. and I just woke up. And I'm usually not up for at least about 30 or 40 minutes yet. So y'all better love me for this video. Today's video is doing the week wearing eyeshadow challenge. I'm very tired and I'm kind of nervous because I don't wear makeup to school that often and I know that I'm probably gonna get judged for it. But we're gonna do it anyways because I've been wanting to do it all school year and I finally don't have cheerleading on Friday because football cheer is over. So that's what we're doing today. I hope you all enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. This is obviously something created by the amazing Rachel Cantu. She is my mom. I love her. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so today for eyes, all I'm doing is my red eyeliner and putting on lashes. Nothing really exciting. And then I'll probably tell you guys like what I do for my highlight and my lips, but that's like all. So I'm just gonna go in and do my eyeliner. I'm probably gonna have to redo my eyeliner like 4 times. So I'm gonna stop talking now and start applying this. Okay, so now I'm going to do my face and I'll be back to show you guys my outfit, highlighter I use, that kind of stuff. So okay, so for highlighter I'm going in with the Pixie by Petra little duo. This is in Subtle Sunrise. I swatched these but I have not used them. I'm nervous they're gonna be too dark for me, so we'll see how this goes. This is gonna be an intense highlight day, I can already tell. So I'm gonna go in with this side right here. I'm just gonna barely swipe my brush because the swatch was so intense. So I'm just going to apply that to my cheekbone. Okay, so for lips, I'm just going to use a chapstick and then probably put a gloss on top. I would do a red lip, but I know that it'll come off by the end of the day. So I'm just going in with my chapstick that's like out. This is the first day. I know that I didn't do any like crazy eyeshadow or anything, but I don't want it to be too much for school. The first day we're gonna gradually get into it. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my outfit and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, this is the fit. I just have on my red Champion hoodie that I wear all the freaking time. My black jeans, my black and gold belt, and then I'm gonna wear my Fila's here. Just a basic look today. Nothing too exciting. Yeah, that's everything. Good morning, babies. So today is yellow and orange day. I decided to put them together because I didn't really want to do just like one of them. So we're putting them together. So I'm just gonna do like a basic smoky eye, halo eye type of thing. So that's pretty much all I can say. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm just putting on lashes, letting them dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna do my face and all of that, obviously. So yeah, today's look isn't anything exciting. It's just a matte halo smoky eye with a shimmery orange in the middle and a yellow liner on top. And now I'm just putting on lashes. I forgot to put on mascara, so I'm gonna try to figure out how to do that, but yeah. Okay, so this is the fit for the day. This is my orange Nike shirt that I thrifted, my sister's cardigan, my belt is from Amazon, and these jeans are also thrifted. I think I'm gonna wear my black suede booties. But yeah, this is the eye look of it closer, if you can kind of see it. This eye looks a lot better than this eye. My liner got messed up and way too thick, so yeah, I think it's cute. People are probably gonna judge me because my lashes are like big little thick boys, and my liner is honestly bothering me like really bad, but I can't really do anything about it. So yeah, that's the fit for today. We'll see y'all later. Morning, babies. So I'm hecka tired today, but we're not gonna talk about it. I gotta get to doing my makeup. I'm behind. So got my green on because it's green day. I'm just gonna pin my hair back on my face, and I'm thinking today that I do a like green all over the lid and then a liner type of thing. So that's what we're gonna do. I honestly don't think I'm gonna wear lashes today because they take way too long to put on, and I'm just like kind of not in the mood to have to wear lashes. So we're just gonna like pack on the mascara and not do lashes. So I'm putting tape because I am doing a liner type of thing, and that's really all. And if there's any of these looks that you want like an actual tutorial on, like yesterday's look I really did like, but guess who didn't get any pictures? But yeah, if there's any of these looks that you guys want me to do a tutorial on, let me know down below. Okay, so I guess something kind of like this. This is definitely a dramatic look compared to the last 2 days. Like, it's green, obviously. So I don't know how I feel about it. Maybe after I put on the rest of my face, it'll look better. But I'm feeling a little bit nervous. Like, it's green. I don't know, guys. Okay, y'all, this is the final look. I curled my hair. So today is definitely my favorite day other than, I don't know, I really liked yesterday's because she was cute or whatever, but I don't know, today's just like simple but really glam, you know. Sorry, I was just fixing my eyeshadow, but I like her. She cute. I'll show y'all my outfit real quick. I don't know what shoes I'm wearing. Probably just like Converse or something. It's kind of dark, but whatever. So I have my boyfriend's Adidas hoodie on that of course I stole, and just my favorite Forever 21 jeans. I think they cute or whatever, but that's literally all. Shoes, I don't know, probably boots or something, but yeah, I feel cute. She rocking it. But, okay, I'm gonna go. I fucking miss you. I would have never let you down like you did to me. Now you're no friend. I don't really want no friends. He tryna 69 like Takashi, call him Papi, worth the ASAP, keep me rocky. Morning, babies. So a girl has purple fingernails. Who is she? But today is blue day, obviously, and I have new lights. Like, they're LEDs now. They weren't before, so they're like pretty freaking bright. And I know I look dead, and yes, I'm wearing my hair in a ponytail at school today with a glam ass makeup on, so love that. But I am just doing blue. I think it's gonna be like a cut crease type of thing. I don't really know. I'm just gonna go for it. I have 3 freaking palettes in front of me, and I'm running out of brushes, so I'm going to clean them pretty soon. But whatever, we're just gonna go for it. Okay, now that I look crazy, I'm going with like a medium going in with a super dark blue. Putting that on the outer corner. School's been lately, it's like honestly been pretty freaking bad for me. I've not been happy and I just like don't like school. I've never really liked school. I used to like it when I was younger, but we all know that my birthday is literally in like 3 weeks, so I'm not that young anymore. And also, they apparently might be passing a like law or something that you have to be 16 and a half to get your license, or that you might have to have your permit for a year so that you could get your permit when you're 15, so you could still get your license when you're 16. But like, I don't know what they're gonna do, and if I have to wait till I'm 16 and a half to get my license, I'm gonna be so angry because like I'm almost 15, which would mean that I'd have to wait a year and a half to get my license, which would mean that's the very end of my sophomore year, which would mean that I'm not going to have my license till I'm pretty much junior, which is dumb, and I don't want that. Like, I want my license already, but I'm terrified to drive because like my anxiety and yeah. Outfit really quick. I have this bluish, light blue hoodie on that I wear all the time, and it is from Gildan or something. I got it off Amazon for like $15, and I have on these Aeropostale jeans I cut the bottoms on. They're small for me because I've had them for a really long time, so my butt doesn't look very good in them, but whatever. So this is the makeup right here. I think it looks really good. It's very dramatic and dark compared to my hoodie, but I don't really care. It's like whatever to me. Okay, so I just want to say really quick that I have a math test today, and I'm really nervous about it, but we're just not gonna talk about her. And also, I'm feeling myself today. Like, I freaking love my makeup. It looks really good. I love the eyes. Definitely my favorite day so far. I'm excited about Purple Day though, and so are a lot of other people, so yeah. Look at her. Oh my god, the highlight. Yes, queen. Feeling myself 150 freaking percent. Love it. Morning, babies. So it is day 5, last day of this challenge. I look really busted, but I'm so tired, and I'm like kind of ready for this to be over because I'm just so tired all the time. And yeah, but we're gonna get started because like always I'm behind, so I'm just gonna get started. Today I'm literally just doing like some purple on the crease and then this glitter on top. Something super simple, nothing crazy. I mean, kind of crazy, but it's probably fine. So yeah, I'm just going to prime my eyelids and then get started. Okay, so I have my eyes done. I'm just trying to get a little bit of the glitter off my face because glitter is literally a freaking huge mess. But I'm just trying to clean it up a little bit and cleaning up the edges a teeny bit. I'm putting on lashes, but nothing like hecka dramatic or anything. Just my like everyday ones I wear all the time. I wore these yesterday, and I think I wore them on Monday as well for Red Day. So I'm just gonna put these on, do my makeup, figure out what the heck I'm doing with my hair because I literally have no idea. And then I will be back to show y'all my outfit, even though it's seriously nothing exciting at all. Alright, this is my outfit. Just my gray Nike hoodie and these jeans I wore earlier this week. I have Christmas socks because it's now November. So this is the makeup. My hair is just in two braids, then put into a bun. Nothing too exciting today, but yeah, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Give me any feedback down below and tell me what day was your favorite. I hope y'all enjoyed. I love you guys so much, and I will see you babies next time. Bye guys.
Sí, sí, sí.